You got the skills, you put in the work, but are you crushing it in the freelance world? Look, I'm gonna be real with you. Talent alone ain't gonna cut it. If you wanna win in this game, you gotta hustle, you gotta grind, and you gotta market yourself like a goddamn pro. That's what we're diving into today, fam. We're talking about building your brand, owning social media, and becoming a networking beast. This is about building a sustainable business, not just picking up gigs. It's time to level up your freelance game. Listen up, you're not just a freelancer, you're a brand. What do you stand for? What makes you different? Figure that out and scream it from the rooftops. Your brand is your story, your why. It's about connecting with people on a human level. Authenticity is your superpower. Think of it like this. Nike sells shoes, but they're selling aspiration. Apple sells phones, but they're selling innovation. What's your story? Don't be afraid to be yourself, quirks and all. People connect with realness. Show your personality, your passions, your hustle. This ain't about being perfect, it's about being you times 10. Build a brand that resonates with your ideal clients. Who do you want to work with? What problems do they have that you can solve? Remember, personal branding is a marathon, not a sprint. Show up consistently, provide value, and watch your network grow. You got this. Social media is your stage, your platform, your chance to shine. But it's not about vanity metrics, it's about building real connections. Engage, provide value, and be a part of the conversation. First things first, optimize your profiles. Professional headshot? Check. Compelling bio that showcases your skills? Double check. Content is king, queen, and the whole royal court. Share your expertise, offer insights, create content that your ideal clients will actually want to see. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats, video, live, stories, carousels. The more the merrier. Consistency is key. You can't just post once a month and expect miracles. Show up regularly, engage with your audience, and build those relationships. Hashtags are your friends. Use relevant hashtags that will help people find you. Social media is all about providing value and building relationships. Do that, and you'll be golden. Chapter 3. Network like a boss building your tribe. Networking. I know, the word alone makes some of you want to run for the hills. But trust me on this one. Networking is not about schmoozing or being fake. It's about building genuine relationships with people in your industry and beyond. Attend industry events, join online communities, reach out to people you admire. Don't be afraid to shoot your shot. The worst thing they can say is no. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Provide value, offer help, and be genuinely interested in others. Follow up, follow up, follow up. After meeting someone, connect with them on LinkedIn and send a personalized message. Networking is all about building relationships. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities will come your way. Chapter 4. Portfolio perfection. Show them what you got. Your portfolio is your resume on steroids. It's your chance to showcase your best work and wow potential clients. Make it shine. Curate your best work. Only include projects that you're proud of and that align with your ideal client. Make it easy to navigate. Organize your portfolio by industry or skill set. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Let your unique style shine through in your portfolio design. Include testimonials from satisfied clients. Social proof is gold. Keep it updated. Add new projects regularly to show that you're active and in demand. Chapter 5. Know your worth. Pricing and negotiation. Listen up, freelancers, you are worth it. Stop underselling yourself and start charging what you deserve. Do your research. What are other freelancers in your niche charging? What is the value you bring to the table? Don't be afraid to negotiate. Know your worth and don't be afraid to walk away from a deal that doesn't feel right. Package your services. Offer different packages at different price points to appeal to a wider range of clients. Value your time. Don't be afraid to say no to projects that don't excite you or that don't pay what you're worth. We covered a lot of ground today, but here's the bottom line. You are capable of achieving incredible things as a freelancer, but it takes hustle, it takes strategy, and it takes putting yourself out there. Implement the strategies we talked about today, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The freelance world is your oyster. Now go out there and crush it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing tips and tricks. Let's do this.